दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्ता राधा कान्ता नमोऽस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Hare Krishna, everybody, welcome you all. So we've completed, so we are doing Chaitanya Geetanjali, right? So we completed, I think, 3 bhajans, no? How many did we complete to glorify Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so far? Anyone? Okay, Hare Krishna.
Two vajans for that.
2, no? What are those?
Gauranga Bali Tebe and Dole Dole.
Yeah, okay. 2. And then earlier, at the beginning of this course, we actually studied Shikshashtakam also. Right? So that also we can include. So 3 we know altogether. So today we will try to learn Sachi Suta Ashtakam. Okay, this is called Sachi Suta Ashtakam. Who is Sachi Suta?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why is he called Sachi Suta?
He's a son of Mother Sachi.
Yes, he is the son of Mother Sachi. That's why he's called Sachi Suta. Okay, so let's start. It's very nice actually. This was written by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, if I'm not. Yeah, see, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Okay, and he is a great devotee of the Lord. He was composing a lot of poems and songs and everything. Okay, so I will just sing as usual the whole thing once, and then we'll do para by para. Hare Krishna. नवगौरवरं नवपुष्पशरं नवभावधरं नवलास्यपरं नवहास्यकरं नवहेमवरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं नवप्रेमयुतं नवनीतशुचं नववेशकृतं नवप्रेमरसं नवधा विलसच्छुभप्रेममयं प्रणमामि शचीसुता गौरवरं हरिभक्तिपरं हरिनामधरं करजप्यकरं हरिनामपरं मयने सततं प्रणयाश्रुधरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं सततं जनता भवतापहरं परमार्थपरायणलोकगतिं नवलेहकरं जगतापहरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं निजभक्तिकरं प्रियचारुतरं नटनर्तननागरराजकुलं कुलकामिनि मानसलास्यकरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं करताळवलं कलकान्तरवं मृदुवाद्यसुवीनिकया मधुरं निजभक्तिगुणावृतनाट्यकरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं युगधर्मयुतं पुनर्नन्दसुतं धरणी सुचित्रं भवभावोचितं तनुध्यानचितं निजवासयुतं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरम् अरुणं नयनं चरणं वसनं वदने स्खलितं स्वकनामधरं कुरुते सुरसं जगताजीवनं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं प्रणमामि सच्चिसुता गौरवरं. Okay, it's very easy. All the paras will have the same tune. Okay, so it's very easy. Let's begin. Who wants to try first? Hare Krishna. You can repeat after me. No issues. Yes, Satyanarayana. Yes.
Navagauravadam Navapuspasaram Navabhavadaram Navalaspyaparam Navahasyakaram Navahemavaram Pranamami Sati Suta Gauravaram. Hare Krishna.
Very good. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Nice. Next, who wants to try?
Can I, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Nava prema yutam nava nila sucham.
Mataji. Same verse. Same verse.
First, okay. Nava gaura. Sorry. Nava gauravaram nava pushpasaram nava bhavadharam nava lasya pranam nava hasyakaram nava hemavaram pranamami sachisut gauravaram. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So let's see the translation. Okay. So here it says Nava Gaura Varam, right? So his complexion is the hue of fresh cream tinged with kumkum, right? So what is Krishna's complexion?
Dark.
Dark, no? Here it is exact opposite. No, here it is golden. So that is the complexion of Gaurachandra or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That's why, he's got, whose color is this? Whose color is this golden color?
Radharani.
Radharani. That's why she's called Gaurangi, right? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Gauranga because of this reason. Okay, it's fresh cream tinged with kumkum. So this gives a golden hue, right? And it is ever fresh. So this verse has Nava, Nava, Nava. Nava means always new, ever fresh. All right. So his color is also ever fresh. And then here it is said he is the ever fresh Cupid, right? And who shoots the arrows of newly blossoming flowers. Here it is said Nava Bhavadharam Nava Pushpasaram, right? Pushpasharam means he will always he will shoot the arrows of newly blossoming flowers. So Cupid shoots the arrow of material love, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shoots the arrow of what love? Yes, what love arrows does he shoot, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Bhakti.
Bhakti.
Very nice. Krishna Prema, right? So Cupid will shoot arrows of material love between a man and a woman. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shoots the arrows of Bhakti or Krishna Prema he gives. No? Namo Mahavadanya Krishna Prema Pradayate. And then he bears newer and newer moods of emotional ecstasies. This is also coming in Bhava Bhakti. That's why it said Bhava Dharam, right? and he's always into the mood of ecstasy. No, we had this drama festival, and you've seen one of the teams performed the drama where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw Jagannath and just fell unconscious, right? Because he was in complete ecstasy. And then he's fond of performing novel dances, right? And then he makes ever new jokes. So everything about him is new, right? Ever new jokes that cause much laughter, and his brilliant luster is freshly cast gold. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Okay, very beautiful, very nice. So, and this whole song is very simple, the same tune, right? We also have another kind of modulation where the first para will be a little low and the next para will be of a little higher pitch. But since we are doing Chaitanya Gitanjali, and we want to finish the songs as many bhajans as we can, we want to learn, right? So I have set one standard tune for all the paras. That will be easy for you all to learn. Plus, you can learn more bhajans also. We can complete this today if possible. Okay, now we know the meaning. Who wants to try this first verse again? Anyone? Yes,
Krishna,
sir.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
नवगौरवरं नवपुष्पसरं नवभावधरं नवलास्यपरं नवहास्यकरं नवहेमवरं प्रणमामि सचीसुतगौरवरम्.
Haribol. Thank you, Mataji. Okay, next verse. Who wants to sing? Second verse. Deepti Mataji, you want to try?
Yes, Mataji, but I'll repeat after you.
Yeah. Nava premayutam navanita-shucham
Navapremayutam navanitashucham
navaveshakritam navapremarasam
navaveshakritam navapremarasam
नवधा विलसत् शुभप्रेममयम्
Navadha vilasat shubhapremamayam
प्रणमामि सचीसुता गौरवरम्.
Pranamami Sachi-suta Gauravaram.
Haribol, thank you much. Next, who wants to try? Shiv Kumar Prabhu, you wanted to try?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
No premaitam navanitasvacham naveshakrutam navapremarasam navadavinasat shubhapremamayam pranamami shache sutagauravara pranamami shache sutagauravara. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, thank you. So, what does it mean? Again, here also, Krishna is described as ever fresh. Whatever he does, it's ever fresh and all new, right? He's endowed with ever fresh love of Godhead all the time. And love of Godhead, how many ever times you taste the love of Godhead, fruit of love of Godhead, it is again and again Nava Nava Rasa, new taste you'll get, right? Because it's ever fresh. And his radiant luster is like the color of fresh butter. His fresh attire is arranged in ever new fashion. He relishes ever new mellows of love of Krishna. He shines in the ninefold new ways while executing the ninefold processes of devotion. So we have Navavida Bhakti, right? And in all the ways that he is executing, in each of the ways, he shines in a new, different way. So 9 ways he shines, right? And then he is permeated with the most auspicious, loving nature. And I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Very nice. Next, third para, who wants to sing?
Hare Krishna Mataji, I'll sing after you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hari Bhakti Param Hari Namadharam
Hari Bhakti Param Hari Namadaram
Karajapya Karam Hari Nama Param
करजाप्यकरं हरिनामपरम्
नयने सततं प्रणयाश्रुधरम्
नयने सततं प्रणयाश्रुतरम्
प्रणमामि सचेसुता गौरवरम्
प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरम् Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Next, who wants to sing the same thing? Third verse, anyone?
चला माताजी.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
हरि भक्ति परम हरि नामधरम करजाप्य करम हरि नाम परम नयने सततं प्रणयश्रुधरम प्रणमामि सची सुत गौरवरम.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji. Yeah, so now what does this para means? Hari Bhakti Param, Hari Namadharam. So he is absorbed in devotion to Sri Hari and he maintains the chanting of the names of Hari. Kara Japya, here it said, no? Kara Japya Karam. So he always chants the holy name of the Lord, Hari, which is the supreme, no? The holy name, Nama Param. While chanting, he counts the holy names on his fingers. Kara Japya Karam. So he's counting the holy names on his fingers and he's addicted to the name of Hari. He always has tears of love welling in his eyes. I bow to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. So when you understand the meaning and you sing the song, it becomes very easy. Kara Japya Karam, he's counting on his hands. Hari Nama Param. Nayane Satatam Pranayashrudharam. So his eyes is always filled with the tears of love of Godhead, right? So it's easy to remember also. Okay. Next, fourth verse, who wants to try? Those who have not tried yet. Mahalakshmi Mataji, you want to try?
हरे कृष्ण माताजी दंडवत प्रणाम
Yes.
सततं जनता भव तापहरं प्रणमार्तपरायण लोकगतिं नवलेककरं जगत् तापहरं प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरं प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरं. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Nice. Now next, who wants to sing? Swayam Prabha Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes,
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
I'll say after you, Mataji.
Satatam janata bhavatapaharam
Satatam janata bhavatapaharam
paramartha parayana lokagatim
paramartha parayana lokagatim
नवलेहकरं जगतापहरम्
नवलेहकरं जगतापहरं
प्रणमामि सचीसुता गौरवरम्
प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरम्. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you,
Dhanyavad.
Hare Krishna. So here, very beautiful song this is, every word is so beautifully glorifying Gauranga. Satatam janata bhava tapaharam. He's always removing tapa, all the sufferings from the material existence for everybody. Alright? And he is the goal of life for persons who are dedicated to their supreme interest. Right? So we all want to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and gain his mercy, no? Otherwise we will not get Radha Krishna mercy. That's why he becomes the goal of all the devotees. And then he inspires men to become like honey bees, eager for the honey of Krishna Prema. He removes the burning fever of the material world. I bow down to Gaura, the material son, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. So here it's beautifully said honey bees. What does this mean? Where is the nectar coming from? Yes? Why honeybees?
Krishna Prema.
Krishna Prema. So where is the nectar exactly coming from?
Love
From
and
Krishna
affection.
Bhakti.
Huh?
From Krishna.
From love and affection of
Ah,
Krishna.
okay, that is one answer. Next.
Through Krishna Bhakti.
Lotus
we
feet.
get the-
Lotus feet of Krishna.
Lotus feet of Krishna. Very nice. So, honey actually comes from the beehive, right? That we all know. So, same way, if Krishna Prema is the nectar, then where is that Krishna Prema coming from? Lotus feet of Krishna, right? And what does lotus feet represent? It represents mercy. And Mahavadanyavatar, the most merciful incarnation of Krishna, is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? So that's why the nectar is coming from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The lotus feet representation is, right? So that's why it's given over here beautifully that he turns all of us towards the nectar or honey of Krishna Prema. He makes all of us honeybees. Otherwise, what we were before coming to Krishna consciousness, we were not honeybees. We were some other insect. No, what was that? In Bhagavatam, there's comparison.
Flies.
Flies. Very nice. House flies. Right? So that's the comparison very nicely given, because fly goes sits on dirt also. It sits on fresh things also, good things also. But honeybees, they don't go to behind dirt, right? They go only towards honey. So he is the one who transformed all of us by spreading Krishna Prema. Very beautiful. Next, fifth verse. Who wants to try? Fifth verse. Sadhna Mataji, you want to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Shall I read Mataji?
Yeah, you can sing. Fifth verse.
Hare Krishna. निज भक्ति करम प्रिय चारु तरम नट नर्तन नागर राजकुलम कुल कामिनी मानस लास्य करम प्रणमामि शुचि सुर गौरवरम प्रणमामि शुचि सुर सुत गौरवरम. Hare Krishna.
Nice. Thank you, Mataji. Pranamami Sachi Suta Gauravaram. So nice. Nija Bhakti Karam. Nija Bhakti Karam means he showed. Why did Krishna even come to this world? Because to show us, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to show us how to do bhakti. So he practically did it, and then he showed to us the same thing. Okay, next, who wants to sing the same verse? Someone else? Yes, Satyanarayan Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Fifth verse, right, Mataji?
Yeah.
निज भक्ति करम प्रिय चारु तरम नटनाट्यन नागर राजकुलम कुलकामिनी मानसलास्य करम प्रणमामि सतीसुत गौरव.
Hare Krishna, very nice. So now Nija Bhakti Karam. So he motivates pure devotion unto himself. He himself practices pure bhakti. Can you imagine? And he is being the Lord, he himself practices pure bhakti because he is come in the form of a devotee, right? Radharani. He is most attractive to his beloved servitors. By his dramatic dancing, he exhibits the characteristics of the king of paramours. He causes the minds of beautiful young village women to dance. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Okay, now I have a question to you all. Why did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when Krishna came down as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, why did he take the color of Radharani? He can take any other color, no? He could have taken. Why did he take the color of Radharani? He could have taken just a fair complexion. Why exactly the color of molten gold and Radha?
Mataji, he is in Bhava, Radharani's Bhava, Mataji, in this incarnation.
So he can take the mood of Radharani. Why did he take the color of Radharani? Anyone? He came with the mood and complexion of Radharani. Why not just the mood?
No, but to experience the Radharani
Hmm.
thing. So he took every forms of Radharani to have the real experience which he missed in the previous yuga.
That comes with the mood and the leelas, no? Why the color? What is there in color? Krishna-
Mataji, maybe in Shastras it is said in Kali Yuga he will come in the golden color. That's why.
Okay. Why did the Shastra say golden color only? He could have decided I'll come in some fair color, Balram's color, white color. And then Shastras could have written white color, no? Why? What is there in that color? What is it actually?
It is totally pure Radharani itself. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is totally Radharani itself. So it is the golden color.
Then he should have come in women form, no? Why did he come in male form if he was totally Radharani? No, there is a deeper meaning. Anyone knows? No? So when Krishna goes and says Radharani, his decision to understand your feelings and your bhava, your emotions, your glories and your happiness, right? The happiness that you get in serving me, I will take, I will go as you, as a devotee to understand the same kind of feelings with your bhav, he says. Then Radharani gets heart attack. She'll be like, what? She'll get shocked. She'll be like, what? You will not be able to take it. You will not be able to take it at all. Because the bhav, the highest form of ecstasy, right? It cannot be taken by Krishna. Because he's the enjoyer. He's a Purusha. And bhakti is an innate quality of a servitor, right? Prakriti. So first thing she says is, you will not be able to take it. One day also you will not be able to survive if you take my bhav and go to earth. Then he'll be like, then what is the solution? I really want to experience what you are experiencing, right? And then she will say, okay, along with my mood and bhav and whatever, love and everything, take a kavacha. You need a kavacha, otherwise you will not be able to sustain that level of ecstasy, right? Despite that kavach, he actually fell unconscious, voice was choking, and he couldn't talk for many days after seeing Jagannath. Actually, no, he had the kavach and still. So Radharani says, you take a kavach, I'll give you, and then you go. Then he is like, okay, what is that kavach? Then she will say, I will give you my complexion. This complexion is the kavach. Unless, if you do not have my golden color, you'll not be able to survive as a devotee, right? Because Krishna is a Purusha. He will not understand what a devotee feels, or the love and ecstasy and everything, right? So that's why. And not only that, Radharani also says, in order to guide you, right, because you're becoming a devotee for the first time and you might not know what to do in many cases. So in order to guide you, I will also come down along with you in the form of, in what form Radharani came to guide him?
Gadadhar Pandit.
Haribol, Gadadhar Pandit. So two things she gave. She gave a guide, as in she came down as Gadadhar Pandit, and she gave a personal armor to Krishna to protect himself, right? And to be continue in that mood. That is the complexion. That's why Krishna came in golden color, Radharani's color, exactly Radharani's color. Otherwise, he would have chosen any other complexion. Opposite of black is white. He could have come in white color, no, like white fair like Nityananda Prabhu. No, he chose golden colors because of this reason. He was sent with that color. Okay, now next, sixth verse. Who wants to sing? Yeah, Archana Mataji, you want to sing?
Mataji, maybe after you, Mataji.
Huh. Karatalabalam kalakantaravam
Karatalavalum kalakantaravam
mruduvadya suvinikaya madhuram
Mriduvadya suvinikaya maduram
निज भक्ति गुणावृतनाट्यकरम्
Nij bhakti gunavrit natyakaram
प्रणमामि सचीसुता गौरवरम्
Pranamami Sachi Suta Gauravam. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, thank you. Okay, next who wants to sing?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
करतालवलं कलकण्ठरवं मृदुवाद्यसुवीनिकया मधुरं निजभक्तिगुणावृत नाट्यकरं प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरं. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So he plays kartals, no? Karatala. Here it is said. And Kala Kantharavam. So, what does it mean? So, he plays kartals as his throat emits sweet melodious sounds and the vibrant notes of the veena are softly played. So, this is talking about the Sankirtan, right? When a Sankirtan is happening or when Kirtan is happening, what do? We have to use all these instruments also. Prabhupada also insisted, if there's nothing, then at least clap, right? But some kind of instrument should be there. If there's nothing, just clap at least. And these basic things are kartal and mridanga. These two are very important. And he used to say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to personally play kartals and he used to sing in the kirtan. Okay, and veena was also used, and he thus inspires the devotees to perform dramatic dancing that is infused with aspects of his own devotional service. I bow down to Gaura, a beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Okay, that's why dancing is important. Clapping is important. What is the significance of clapping? Anyone knows? Clapping and dancing. Why should we clap and dance in Kirtan?
Mataji, I heard in a class that when we clap, the lines that are there on our palm, they change and all our previous karmas are washed away.
Haribol, exactly. So astrology, horoscope doesn't work for a devotee because every day the lines are changing, no, when you clap in Kirtan, right? Not only that, for every clap, your one sin gets washed away. Can you imagine? Every time. That's why clap, clap, clap. How much you clap, that much of sins, previous janma, how much ever sins you've done will get washed away. For every step you, perform as dance, no, again one sin will get washed away, right? So it's a nice offer, no, where who does this? That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says he's the most merciful, he's the most magnanimous avatar. Okay, next. Yeah, 7th verse. Who wants to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
युगधर्मयुतं पुनर्नन्दसुतं धरणी. Mataji, please you say
Yeah.
Mataji.
युगधर्मयुतं पुनर्नन्दसुतं
युगधर्मयुतं पुनर्नन्दसुतं
धरणी सुचित्रं भवभावोचितम्
धरणी सुचित्रं भवभावोचितं
तनुध्यानचितं निजवासयुतं
तनुदाय ध्यानचितं निजवासयुतं
प्रणमामि सचीसुता गौरवरम्
प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरम्.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Next, who wants to try? Muttamanikyam Prabhu, you want to try?
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
युगधर्मयुतं पुनर्नन्दसुतं धरणी सुचित्रं भावोषितं धनुध्यानसितं निजवासयुतं प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरं प्रणमामि सचीसुत गौरवरम्.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Yeah, so Yuga Dharma Yutam. Right? So Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Yuga Avatar. Right? Yuga Avatar. For this particular Yuga, he came just to teach us the Yuga Dharma. Yuga Dharma is chanting the holy name of the Lord, right? That's why, because he taught us that, he becomes the Yuga Avatar. He is accompanied by the Sankirtan movement, which is the religious practice for the age of Kali, the Yuga Dharma. And he is the son of Nanda Maharaj who came again, right? Nanda Sutam. Punar Nanda Sutam. So he again came, right? Nanda Suta again came in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the extraordinary brilliant ornament of he is the extraordinarily brilliant ornament of the sun. He preaching his preaching mode is suitably adapted to the cycle of birth and death. His consciousness is fixed in meditation on his own form of Krishna. He is always accompanied by his transcendental abode. I bow to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Okay. Now last verse, who wants to sing? Hare Krishna.
Try Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Arunam nayanam charanam vasanam vadane khalitam swakanam kurte surasam jagata jivan pranamami shachi sutta gauravaram pranamami shachi sutta gauravaram. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Anyone else wants to try? Yes, Vanaja Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Arunam nayanam charanam vasanam vadani skalitam swakanamadharam urute surasam jagata jivanam pranamami sachi sutta gauravaram pranamami sachi sutta gauravaram. Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you Mataji.
Thank you. So what does this say? Arunam. So his eyes, the soles of his feet, and his clothing are reddish like the color that heralds the rising sun. And so as he utters his own names, his voice falters. He awakens a sweet flavor of life throughout the universe. I bow down to Gaura, the beautiful son of Mother Sachi. Okay, so this is beautiful, no? So whenever he utters his own name, that is, whenever he chants the holy name of Krishna, what happens? His voice falters. This is all Ashtasattvik Vikar, no? The 8 symptoms of bodily ecstasies. Okay. Yeah. So anyone wants to recite any of the paras, any of the verses? Any questions? Anybody has? Yeah, this song we are supposed to ideally have complete in 2 classes, but I did it in 1 class. Like I already said, I want to cover how many ever bhajans possible to glorify Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. We'll again revise after Gaura Purnima. Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes. Any questions?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, during Kirtan, playing Kartal is or clapping is better, Mataji?
Kartal is more better because you are you're serving Balram. Kartal, Mridangam, all this is compared to Balram. And when you are doing all this, playing the instruments and everything, then you are actually serving Balram, who is the spiritual master, no? Nityananda Prabhu, he is the Adi Guru. So if you do not have anything, then clap. Everything is fine. See, in a kirtan, if you just imagine a sankirtan going on, 100 people will be there. All 100 people cannot play kartal, no? Some people will clap, some people will play kartal, some people will play mridangam, some people will dance, some people will sing, right? Some people will encourage others to dance, right? Some people will do book distribution. So everything is service to the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Any questions? Anyone? Any other question? No question? Okay, then we'll end. Thank you all. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna Mataji. Thank you Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Pavane Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnavinda ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
Okay, now Bhagavatam class, kindly join. Hare Krishna.